Hello, welcome to this brief tutorial on working with Voyant sources. We'll look at opening existing corpus, typing or pasting a single document, typing or pasting one or more URLs, and uploading one or more documents. Before we get going, just a quick reminder that you can click on a question mark in Voyant to call up a dialog box that leads to more documentation. A quick way to get started is to click on the Open button. It will lead to a dialog box where you'll be able to choose from an existing corpus, and we expect to add more corpora as time goes on. At any point, if you want to start over and return to the main screen, you can choose the home icon from the top blue bar, and that will lead you back to the main screen where you can start over with a different source. The main box is where you can type in some text or copy and paste some text from elsewhere, from a word processor or a different kind of file. I can open up a web page and, for instance, from the file menu, select all and copy that into the clipboard. I can then go back to Voyant and paste in that content and start a new document that way. Another possibility for a source is to use one or more URLs. So if I go back to my web page and I copy and paste the URL from the address bar, I can paste that back into my source text box in Voyant, and that will go fetch that document. In fact, I can do this with multiple URLs. Though it's worth saying that if you are going to use multiple URLs, it might be worth downloading the contents from the files first into a local file and then uploading them as one file so that it's a bit more efficient for the system. The final way to add sources to Voyant is to upload files from your local system. That can be as easy as clicking on the upload button and then selecting one or more files from your file system and uploading them that way. Voyant supports a wide variety of file formats, including plain text, PDF, and MS Word. If you do have multiple files that you want to upload at once, what can be more efficient is to go to the directory before you upload and create a zip file, compressed zip file from the contents, and then that way you're uploading one compressed file rather than multiple uncompressed files at a time. And just before we wrap up this video, a quick preview to mention that once you've created a corpus, you can edit that corpus in the Documents tool. We'll look at that in more detail later, but for now, enjoy playing with different sources in Voyant. Voyant supports a wide variety of file formats, including plain text, PDF, and MS Word.